Public shaming as a punishment for breaking the law fell into disfavor with the prison system's rise in the late 18th century. But since the 1984 Sentencing Reform Act replaced the federal parole system with a system of supervised release, shame may be making a comeback. In United States v. Gementera, the Ninth Circuit had to decide whether the statute permits shaming a defendant on supervised release. Shawn Gementera was caught stealing letters from a series of mailboxes. Gementera, who at 24 already had an extensive criminal record, pled guilty to mail theft. Gementera was sentenced to 2 months of incarceration and 3 years of supervised release. As a condition of his release, Gementera was required to perform 8 hours of community service by standing in front of a post office wearing a sandwich board reading in large letters, quote, "I stole mail. This is my punishment," unquote. Gementera was also ordered to observe postal customers visiting the lost or missing mail window, write letters of apology to his victims, and deliver educational lectures at 3 local schools. Gementera appealed to the Ninth Circuit.